The Huawei Mate X-T Ultimate is here and it's pushing boundaries. This isn't just another smartphone, it's a statement. Huawei is making it clear that they're here to innovate, and the Mate X-T Ultimate is leading the charge. With its groundbreaking foldable design and powerful features, it aims to redefine what a smartphone can be. This is the future, and it's exciting. For years, smartphones have been evolving, getting incrementally better. But the Mate X-T Ultimate feels different. It's a significant leap forward, a departure from the norm. It signals a new era of smartphones, one where innovation takes center stage. The question is, does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The first thing you notice about the Mate X-T Ultimate is its design, specifically, its folding design. When unfolded, you're greeted by a stunning 8-inch OLED display. This isn't just big, it's immersive. Watching videos or playing games on this screen is a whole new experience, and when you're done, it folds neatly in half, becoming a pocketable device. The hinge mechanism feels solid and well-built, inspiring confidence. You can tell that Huawei has put a lot of thought into its design. Unfolding and folding the phone is surprisingly smooth, and it locks securely in both positions. The back of the phone is equally impressive, with a premium finish that feels great in hand. Under the hood, the Mate X-T Ultimate is powered by the latest Kirin chipset. This is top-of-the-line silicon, and it shows. The phone handles everything you throw at it with ease. Apps launch quickly, scrolling is buttery smooth, and there's no lag to be found. This phone is fast, really fast. Gaming on the Mate X-T Ultimate is a joy. The large display provides ample screen real estate, and the powerful chipset ensures a smooth and responsive gaming experience. Demanding games run without a hitch, even at higher graphical settings. Multitasking is also a breeze, thanks to the generous RAM. You can switch between multiple apps seamlessly, with no noticeable slowdowns. Section 4. Camera capturing moments, redefining photography. The camera system on the Mate X-T Ultimate is nothing short of impressive. It boasts a triple lens setup that captures stunning photos and videos. The main sensor is a beast, producing images with exceptional detail and clarity. Colors are vibrant and accurate, and low-light performance is excellent. But the real star of the show is the ultra-wide lens. It allows you to capture a wider field of view, perfect for landscapes and group photos. And it's not just about width, the ultra-wide lens also delivers impressive image quality. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or just want to capture life's moments, the Mate X-T Ultimate's camera won't disappoint. It's a versatile and capable system that pushes the boundaries of smartphone photography. Section 5. Battery and charging power that lasts. With all this power and innovation, you might expect the battery life to suffer. Not so fast. The Mate X-T Ultimate packs a sizable battery that easily lasts throughout the day. Even with heavy usage, you'll have no problem getting through a full day on a single charge. And when you do need to charge, the fast charging capabilities are incredibly convenient. You can juice up your phone in no time, getting you back to using your device quickly. This combination of a long-lasting battery and fast charging ensures that you're always powered up and ready to go. Whether you're streaming videos, playing games, or just browsing the web, you can do so without worrying about running out of battery. Section 6. HarmonyOS, a seamless experience. The Mate X Ultimate runs on HarmonyOS, Huawei's proprietary operating system. And it's surprisingly good. The interface is clean and intuitive, and performance is buttery smooth. It offers a seamless and enjoyable user experience. One of the standout features of HarmonyOS is its focus on multitasking. The ability to effortlessly switch between apps and utilize multiple windows simultaneously is a game changer. Whether you're working on a presentation or just browsing social media while watching a video, HarmonyOS makes it all feel effortless. The app gallery is well stocked with a wide variety of apps, and the overall software experience is polished and refined. It's clear that Huawei has put a lot of effort into developing a compelling alternative to Android, and it shows.